Hi everyone, welcome to day 19 of 30 Faces in 30 Days. Today I am going to do another quick sketch and I'm using my Cretacolor artist leads. However, I picked a charcoal lead today. So I haven't used charcoal in years. I remember I used to love it, even though it's messy and all, but using a lead like that in a holder, it's definitely not as messy. Also, I tried to sharpen the leads in a regular sharpener, and it works pretty well, I must say. It's still messy because it creates a little powder, but it works pretty well. So I sharpened my white lead, and I'm happy to report that it's not as scratchy anymore. So I hope it's going to be consistent and stay soft the way it is right now. Once again, I tried to use my own version of the Loomis method. So I started with a circle and some measurements and all that stuff, just to start with some kind of somewhat good proportions. And then I just fudged it and tried to rearrange things so that they would be at the right place. So it's really a quick sketch, and of course there are a lot of things that aren't correct, but it's just for fun. And I wanted to try the charcoal and the white lead on gray tone paper this time, and I think it looks pretty neat. This is the Strathmore mixed media gray paper, and I think it's 180 pounds. It's really nice. So it was fun. I really liked the model that I chose today. I'm never really excited to draw facial hair, but when I just decided I'm just doing a quick sketch for fun, that it doesn't have to be perfect, then the stress goes away. And I just doodled some hair and just had fun with it rather than really stressing out about it and try to make it look really, really good. So I'm really happy with it. I had a lot of fun with this one too. And this challenge is really showing me how to have fun with all those portraits. Just play with them and not to stress out, not to worry about having a good likeness. Try to just do my best right now, mostly making sure I've got the proportions correct. It's only when I take my time that I really, really will have a good likeness. But when I do something in 30 minutes or so, it's really just like working on the proportions and the values, making sure that it looks like a human. So yeah, I'm having fun and things are coming together nicely, and I'm more comfortable now when I just grab a pencil and a piece of paper, say, hey, I'm going to draw a face, and I know what to do faster than before. I'm more confident and I feel like I know what to do more than before, where I was just fudging things around and working and changing things so that I can finally have a good likeness. It would just take me forever. I think I'm getting there slowly but surely. So anyway, thank you all for stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're brand new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. I'll see you tomorrow with day 20 of the challenge. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.